don't want to be in it? Building a house is a little bit like running a marathon. I've done about 50 now, and this one here is no different. It's not about sprinting out of the gate, it's about how strong you finish. Yo, I'm on site and we've got the plumber, the heat pump guy, the sparky, and the kitchen installers here, but there's no builders. Where are the builders gone? Concrete's gone down, farm fencing is in, it is all coming together. We've poured a little driveway in front of their garage, and then from the concrete all the way to the road, we're going to get the digger in, we're going to get a roller in, we're going to prep their driveway and make it nice and mint. Believe it or not, when you're building a house, the builder actually leaves the process reasonably early on, and there's so many more subbies that come in after the builder. So the builder chucks up skirtings and architraves, and then they're off, they're on to the next job. They're putting a foundation down, but the painter comes in, and then the flooring and the kitchen and the plumber and the sparky, and there's a large amount of management to go from builder on site to house complete, code of compliance, handing over, happy clients, moving in, party. And we're right in the thick of it here at our Whiteman's Valley house. Let's go take a look around. We've got the farm fencing in. It's crazy how cool this looks, and it's cool that they've embraced the style. This is on a big 10-acre block out in the farms, and so this really looks the part. Posts were driven by a local contractor. He's put all the farm fencing in. Really looks awesome. Now this area is ready for topsoil. This family has young kids, they've got dogs. We'll have a fence across here. This will define this zone for them. Around the corner here, we've finished off the main deck. Just needs a final wash. Now that the water tanks are in and they're full of water, as soon as the pump is hooked up, we'll be able to give this all a clean and make it look mint. Hard flooring has gone in, we've got the kitchen cabinets in, half of the stone benches are in and appliances, electrical's being fitted off. Painters have finished all their work inside. Now we've got carpet going down in here, then we can do the fireplace in the corner. And those are just some of the things we manage on site now that the builder has finished and moved on to his next job. The builder, when I say the builder, I mean the carpenter, the person working with the timber, doing the frames and the weatherboard and the windows. And I think actually that's a great example of what's the difference between a carpenter and a builder. Traditionally, a carpenter is the person who works with timber and like hammers and nails, and a builder is someone who manages the entire project, that takes it from that first digger driver on site all the way through to that final council inspection. Just waiting on the main island bench and one for the scullery. That's coming later today. Then plumber and sparky can finish their bits and pieces over there. This would be real cool to do like a, remember we did the walkthroughs here? Remember, this is the house where we've got two generations. Over on the old side of the house, we've got the kitchen in, we've got heat pump going up on the wall. They've also got a little fireplace in their corner there. When it all starts to come together like this, it is like one of my favorite parts of the job. It reminds me how cool it is that we get to do this. but it's also one of the most organizational heavy parts of the job, and you're coordinating everything, lots of questions, lots of people coming and going, and you no longer have a company representative on site every day there to answer everyone's questions. From a building company point of view, when we've got a builder here every day on site, it's a real easy phase of the build to manage. They've got the plans, they've got the materials, lots of the jobs they're doing take a week or two at a time. So you come and meet them, you set them up, and then they're good to go for another week. Whereas at this phase of the build, you're sometimes here multiple days in a row, multiple times during the day, just pushing it along. But that's really important to take it from builders being finished to completed projects. Hey, if you're still watching right now, you've obviously loved this video, and that's awesome. You might also like my mailing list, nzbuilder.co.nz/SmokoChat. Come on, Coco. Well, you've had some fun in the puddles, eh? I guess you're in the back. Come on.